it's me Maurice and welcome back to another vlog. So today's gonna be another makeup tutorial and it is inspired by It's Okay Not to Be Okay, and you guys know how I am addicted to recreating makeup looks from Koreans because
I feel like it's my style.
So anyway, I'll be recreating Go Moon-young's makeup. She's very elegant, she dresses well,
Sophisticated.
very cute, 귀엽다, the ultimate ABG
Asian baby girl.
for me, at least. My gosh, I went overboard for this just to recreate this makeup look because as you can see, I painted my nails and I'm a nurse. This is not allowed. I'll be removing this again later. A week ago, I went to the town just to find the perfect dress that she usually wears. And I do find one, which is in Zara, but it was too expensive. I have to control the impulsiveness in me just not to buy that dress because I might just wear it once or twice and it's not good, isn't it? And then I went to Shirley, which is like a small town nearby our area, to go to the thrift shop, see if there's like a dress that is similar to what she wears, but it's also a fail. Although there's a lot of good things you can find in thrift shop here in UK, like branded ones. If you want me to do a thrift shop video, I'll be doing that if you like. So
I'm so excited for this video. Oh my god.
and don't forget to like and subscribe. Why did I do that? Like, subscribe. Anyway, see you. Bye.
할까?
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you all know, it's my birthday month and I'll be releasing one travel video and another I don't know, if probably a party video, one of the other. And yeah, I hope you like this makeup tutorial. If you do, just give your girl some thumbs up, probably subscribe to my channel, and watch out for my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.